Hi, this is John. Welcome to another video from OutdoorRoomIdeas.com, where we're going to look at replacement patio furniture cushions for those unfortunate people that have left their cushions out for a couple, 3 years in the weather. Most patio furniture frames will last over 10 years in outdoor weather conditions. The patio furniture cushions without proper care may only last for 2 or 3 seasons. In this post, I will talk about a few options you have to purchase replacement patio cushion covers without breaking the bank, as normally they cost more than the set originally when you have to replace the cushions. We're going to use a website that I have found. The website is called Covers and More. Covers and All, rather. And when you get to the website, it's got a very easy navigation. You can request a quote, do a call, you can chat. And it's all American made. So we're going to choose our shape of a cushion cover. We're going to look at a square cushion cover for replacing one like the chair you see in the picture. We're going to go through these process of seeing how much it would cost. We're going to do the square cushion cover, kind of similar to the one in the picture. It's a standard cushion. Most sofas, love seats, and chairs will have one for each sitting position. We're going to look at one that's 22 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and 3.5 inches thick, which is kind of a standard. Your cushion may not be exactly that measurement, but that's what we're going to use for a standard measurement to get a price. Once we click onto the square cushion cover, it's going to give us a price of $638 for their measurements of 12 by 4, which is pretty small. Our cushion cover, we're going to put in the 22 inches, and you're going to notice it jumped up to 1064. Then we're going to buzz over and gather up our 22 inches of width on the cushion. And we're going to, when we put that in, you're going to notice it's going to bump up to $18.94, almost $19. This is a pretty standard. You could get a 22 by 22 or 23 by 23, but you put in the measurements of your cushions. It's got a 4-inch thickness, and we're going to drop it down to 3.5 for our purposes of our review here. And it's going to be $18.33 for the total price. Now, basically, the price of that is one cushion. So if you look at 2 seating positions, it would be well under $40. The next thing you're going to do is going to kind of select the fabric color. If you didn't see your fabric color in the thing, you'll probably have to get a hold of customer service and see what they recommend, or if they have different colors available in your cushion style. They would probably, that's be more of a custom. It might cost you more. You have 2 different styles of fabric. You can have the cushion right and the cushion fab. You'll notice there's a little bit of difference in each one of them. One has a better warranty. They're both waterproof and water repellent. One of them's water repellent, one of them's waterproof, and there's not much difference in the price. It's only $1 difference. I would go with 3-year warranty and a waterproofness. You also have a choice of zippers. You can get a wraparound middle zipper, which helps push that foam in there, and you can zip it, and then you'll have a zipper on the back and 2 sides. There's no extra cost on this. The second zipper option is only on 2 sides. This will help you if you don't want to see the zipper a whole lot, and it's easy to get your cushion in, and both of them are at no cost, so it's your option. Now, if you have over a couple of chairs, you may get over the $99 for free shipping. If you do that, it's not going to cost you anything to get your cushion covers shipped to you. Now, this is what a cushion cover looked like for after they put it together. It's very, very square in this model, and this is a gray color. But you'll notice that if your foam is good, this is a great option for you to get your patio furniture looking like new again, because most frames will last a lot longer than the cushions. For under $40, you can get each seating position recovered if you have these simple type of cushions. It will probably cost you more if you get other cushions. It's a great way to refresh your patio furniture without having to break the bank. For about $40 for each seating position, while in the standard cushions, plus a shipping fee over $99, it's free. You can have new cushion covers for your patio furniture. I would still recommend a storage solution for your new cushions to make them last more than a couple of seasons. If you need more details or ideas, please visit my site at outdoorroomideas.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube video channel to receive my latest videos and new ideas for your patio decor needs. I do refresh this up. Some of the stuff does change from season to season, but I will keep putting stuff out. Visit my YouTube channel for more outdoor room ideas for your patio furniture and outdoor decor needs. Please like this video and leave me a comment for your thoughts on these patio cushion covers. Any questions, please let me know. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. This is John signing off, and have a great day. Till next time.